What's up, traders? I hope you're all doing well. So, I'm going to do a very quick analysis on natural gas, gold, and silver. And I'm going to start with our favorite commodity on this channel, which is obviously natural gas. So, let's start our analysis with natural gas. Okay, so what do we have here? If you remember my yesterday's video, I have said that I'm expecting a bounce out of 20 EMA, and which has happened. If you can see here, let me show you what I've said. But as you see, we have a 50-20 EMA support right below that. We might see a little bounce from here. It can still go back up, guys, so I won't get panic. It can still give us a double top move, but at this point the trades are going well. If you want to cut your profits, if it's up to you, because I see this 20 EMA support and we can expect a little bounce from here. If not, it can still hit our targets right here. Awesome. So obviously, as you can see, our target has been hit according to the ATR. I was expecting my target to hit, and which has happened here. And market obviously bounced out from the 20 and 50 EMA. I knew that obviously out of experience. So I use 20 and 50 EMA for few of my strategies. That actually works like a bot. I have an objective rules for these strategies. Once I have a combination of my required candlestick happens on these EMAs, then I know that it's a buy or a sell signal. And that is why I am putting all these strategies in my course, in my upcoming course, which I am working really hard on it, and I'm hoping to finish it by a month or two. As expected, the market has bounced from the EMAs, and market is now still below our resistance zone. And as I said, that I'm still expecting a move up and forms a double top, and market can still go back down. Market can still move down from this zone where the market is currently at the moment, from where I will look for a buying trade as an engulfer or as a double bottom engulfing trades from here, or a pin bars entry. I will look for buy trades either from this green zone, which is 4.229, goes down to 4.156. I'll go through capital.com as well in a moment. I'll take buy trades from this zone, or I will take a buy trades, a trend continuation trade. Once we have a new high, market breaks this previous high. If we have a break of this high, market close above this previous high, then it is a signal that the market is going to continue its trend upward. And from here, I will look for a buying reason to take long trades. So at this point, market is below resistance, and I can still see a bearish pressure here on capital.com. Exactly the same. I will go for buy trades if we have a break above this previous high, and once we have a break and close is really important, then I will look for a trend continuation trade. We can expect a move up, and we can see a wick go up, and the market can move down and form a double top move, or the market can still move down from here to the green zone, and we can look for buying opportunities from here. And this green zone is here on capital.com is 4.238, and it goes down to 4.160. We have this minor zone from 4.486 and goes up to 4.469. I always redo the zones on Monday, so at this moment these zones are all valid. If you want to plot these zones on a chart, so this is what I'm expecting from gas. Look for buy trades from green zones, or look for buy trades after we have a break and close. Right now it's still a bearish pressure. I'm still expecting a market to hit this green zone. Let's check gold. So right here on gold, market is still below our resistance zone. I want to see a hit of this gray zone, from where I want to see an engulfer, same as yesterday's, or I look for a double top entry. Let me show you these zones on a daily time frame, as I've marked these zones on a daily time frame. As you can see here, you can see the market has fallen from right here, has acted as a resistance, this zone right here on this chart. I still want to wait until the market hit our gray zone, and I will look for a strong selling reason from here to take short trades. Let's check silver. So silver, you can see, is intact with our double top move. The double top condition is still valid, right? So I can see the wick goes up this green box, but what I don't want to see, I don't want to see candle close above this green box, a candle close above 24018. If we have a candle close above that, then we can still expect a move up to 2425. But if we have a nice pin bar or an engulfer red candle here, then I expect to see a market to fall at least till 50 EMA or whatever the ATR of that candle is coming at that time, one ATR below, one ATR above. So that's all for the commodity market, guys. If you have any questions, you can buzz me or Instagram. And if you want to learn how I draw these zones, you can join one of my partner brokers. Once you join it, I send you the weekly forex report of the currency pairs where I mark these zones for you. Once you see these zones every week, then you can able to identify these zones, and by the time you can able to mark those zones yourself, and you know where to take a counter trades from resistance or from support, or if you want to take a pullback trades between these zones. So if you have any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Take care.